Hey, this is AC Lock here, and I'm with Greg Badger here with Excel EcoClean.
Yep.
Awesome. And you guys are out in Illinois.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to say it right. I won't throw that S on the end.
Okay.
And you're opening up a second branch. This is his fourth SoftWash Systems truck he's done with us. So you're opening up a second branch. So give us a little bit of detail, please, about what areas you're servicing there in Illinois.
So our first shop is in Charleston, Illinois, and that shop is designed to do basically the Effingham to north of Mattoon and Charleston areas. Our new shop is going to be in Champaign this coming spring, 1st of March, and that's set to service the area Bloomington, Champaign-Urbana, Rantoul to Danville.
Cool.
And
so really expanding.
yes.
Yeah, so hey guys, I just want to thank Greg so much for trusting us with this build. This truck is beautiful. We've done some walk around videos with you before, but what I want to do right now is I want to explain to your customers what makes soft washing so different and how this piece of equipment is going to make keeping their properties clean and sanitized so much easier.
Sounds great.
Awesome. Thank you so much. All right, so for those of you that don't know, soft washing is the alternative to pressure washing. Instead of the blowing and blasting and erosion of pressure washing, we use water-based biodegradable chemicals. They emulsify dirt and grime. They kill algae, mold, mildew, lichens, bacteria, viruses, all while sanitizing the surface that we're cleaning. The clean lasts 4 to 6 times longer, and it uses 1/3 the water of traditional pressure washing. And what does that for us is if you come on in here a little closer, you'll see our Blend 6X technology. And what we're doing with our blend technology is we're taking water, we're taking sodium hypochlorite, which is household bleach, and we're taking different surfactants, and we're blending those 3 tanks together into one soft washing solution that's then applied onto the roof, the sidewalk, the vinyl siding, any exterior surface to not only clean it like a power washer would, but also to sanitize that surface, treating it more like a pest than a stain. So this 6X is great because it takes our bleach Toner 12 and mixes it with different soaps, whether it's an antimicrobial soap like our green wash, an actual earthen soap that takes care of oil and grease and dirt and silt and stuff like that with our Terra Wash, a finishing soap like our Final Wash that actually waxes the building and makes it hydrophobic and repel staining, our Rain Fresh, which is a scent that helps the property to smell good when we get done, or our Restore, which is a wonderful restoration product that we have that's a moisturizer for like wood or hardy board siding or canvas awnings or anything that has a fiber to it that needs moisture brought back into it, UV protection from the sun. Gives us the ability to dial all that in into custom solutions to clean your property without the damage associated with typical pressure washing. Then on the system here right next to it, we have our Rinse DC Plus system. It's not a pressure washer. This is a high volume. It's 7 gallons a minute at 110 PSI, pounds per square inch, as opposed to a pressure washer that would be 3,500 or 4,000 pounds per square inch at about 4 gallons per minute. This gives you copious amounts of water flow over a surface to remove the emulsified dirt and grime, algae, mildew, bacteria, viruses, cobwebs, anything that might be on the surface without the damage associated with pressure washing. Then built right into it here is our plant wash valve. Because we're using sodium hypochlorite, and sodium hypochlorite has salt in it, plants don't love salt. So what we do is we have a landscape fortifier that we put on all of your plants around your home when we get done with the cleaning, and that's our plant wash right here. And it directly injects right in through this sight gauge into our rinse stream. So once we're done rinsing the property and rinsing all the plants, we can turn this valve right here and neutralize all your landscaping, fortify it, and actually fertilize it, which takes a once negative that soft washing did and has turned it into a huge positive because we're actually fertilizing your plants when we get done. It's all on our 72-inch cradle skid here, which actually allows this piece of equipment to be mounted into the truck without putting any holes in the back of the truck. Now, You'll notice on our trucks we have our Good Stewards emblem, and the reason why that is because all of our products are water-based, biodegradable, low VOC, non-hazardous products. One of the great things here is right here with Excel EcoClean, they make the claim, which is a wonderful claim to make, is that all of their trucks are powered, by the sun, powered by the sun. So when you open up this tailgate here, if you come in close, you're going to see something really cool. This truck, yes, is powered with fossil fuels. We know that. But as this truck drives around, it has an alternator, and the alternator charges a battery that's used for starting the truck. If that battery's already fully charged, there's a lot of energy that goes to waste that truck is producing kinetically through that alternator. So what we've done is we've added a bank of deep cycle marine batteries back here to the skid on the back of the truck and combine that with both an alternating current and direct current, both AC and DC charging systems that allows us to reharness the electricity this truck is making anyhow, collect it in these batteries because this entire system is electric powered, which is very, very cool. And then with the addition, which Greg is going to do up here, of putting a solar cell up here to make it powered by the sun, it allows you to also solar charge the system through this same DC charging system. So it gives you lots of cool capabilities. Now, you're probably like, why is this important to me? Listen, it's Illinois. It's the land of, I said Illinois, it's funny. Illinois, it's the land of Lincoln, okay? Natural wonder, beautiful area, from the Great Lakes all the way south to the Mississippi and the Missouri River and all that. It's beautiful there. We want clean water. We want low carbon emissions. We want to be able to protect our environment. Well, as you as a consumer, sometimes it's difficult for you to figure out how to do that and make a direct impact yourself. You do it through recycling. You do it through good habits around your home. Well, now you can do it through picking the right cleaning company. Because we use this technology, we actually emit less carbons, and this is a more sustainable style of cleaning because it also uses 1/3 the water of pressure washing, and it lasts longer, which means you're going to clean your home or property less often. And as you come around the back here, I'll go ahead and close this. As you come around the other side of the truck here, you can see our different tanks that hold the products that were on the front of the Blend 6X system, from our Restore to our Final Wash, our Rain Fresh, our Terra Wash, and our Green Wash. And then, of course, on the front of the 3D system, the Plant Wash. All these get loaded up here on the other side of the truck so that they're filled once during the week and we don't have to fill them again. The system's very efficient. Hey, listen, the one really, really huge point I want to make for you guys is the fact that this company is an alternative to pressure washing. We're going to help you make better decisions, keeping your property cleaner, longer, more effectively, being a good steward of the environment, and making the right decisions. And how do you make those right decisions? Decisions like right here, hiring companies that every single employee, like here at Excel, have their criminal background checks done, driver's license checks. We're putting safe people around your home. Well, you look for this shield. This shield right here is your absolute assurance that you've hired a company that meets all the standards of SoftWash Systems. In fact, Greg's company, Excel, is a 5-star company, which is our highest rated companies in the United States. So, if you want to hire somebody that uses this great technology to soft wash your home, give Greg at Excel EcoWash, a call at area code 217-345-9595, or you can find them on the web at excelecoclean.com. They are your SoftWash Systems in-network company in the Illinois area. Y'all have a great day.